Ace the exams, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, ace the exams. This phrase is common in academic and student conversations, and understanding it can be incredibly useful for English learners. So, let's explore what it means to ace the exams, and how you can use this expression confidently in your own conversations. Ace the exams is a colloquial phrase that essentially means to do exceptionally well in exams or tests. The word ace, in this context, is used as a verb, implying excelling or achieving high marks. It's often used to encourage someone or to express confidence in one's own abilities. The term ace has an interesting history. It originates from the Latin word as, which was a unit of coinage. Over time, ace came to mean a person who excels, particularly in the context of sports or military aviation. In academics, acing an exam implies achieving the highest possible score. It's important to use ace the exams appropriately. Here are a few examples. I need to study hard if I want to ace the exams. She's so smart, I'm sure she'll ace her finals. This phrase is suitable for informal and semi-formal contexts, like conversations among peers or in motivational speeches. There are several variations of this phrase, such as nail the exams, similar in meaning, implying great success. Crush the exams, a more informal way to express acing exams with confidence. While the phrase is about excelling in exams, let's quickly go over some practical tips to actually ace your exams. 1. Consistent study. Regular study habits are key. 2. Understand, don't memorize. Grasp the concepts rather than just memorizing facts. 3. Practice exams. Simulate exam conditions to prepare better. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, ace the exams, effectively. Remember, it's not just about acing your exams in school or college, but about excelling in any challenge you face. Keep practicing your English, and you'll surely ace it. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.